Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the Casio G-Shock GAB2100 1A1. Many people call it the Solar Casioak. It is an upgrade from the very popular GA-2100, like the one in my long-term review a week ago. The main additions are tough solar and Bluetooth connectivity. However, it is not a smartwatch, there is no GPS, step tracker, or notifications. The watch comes in the original Casio carton box. Inside, you get the watch, the manual, and the warranty card. Nothing special here. The overall design is the same as the original GA-2100. It has the famous octagonal bezel with some resemblance to the AP Royal Oak. It looks cool, classy, and modern while still being tough, slim, and lightweight. If you do not like big G-Shocks, this is definitely one to check out. There are many versions available now, and this is the all-black model, the 1A1. Lug-to-lug size is 48.5mm, the width is 45.4mm, the thickness is 11.9mm, only 0.1mm thicker than the previous GA-2100. The weight is only 52 grams, just 1 gram heavier. It feels very light on the wrist, it is slim, well balanced, and has a subtle wrist presence, especially with this all-black version. The dial surface has a nice metallic finish with a slight sunburst effect, which I really like. The gray text looks stealthy and is not flashy. The gray lume on the hour and minute hands adds a nice touch. The hour markers are bold, but they do not have lume. The chaptering also looks very nice. The subdial at the 9 o'clock position shows the current mode and the battery level, and the small subdial hand has a light gray tip, which complement the styling. The digital display shows the date, day, time, and other information. Like the GA-2100, the analog hands are fully synchronized with the digital time. This means if you adjust the digital time, city, or daylight saving setting, the hands will adjust automatically, and this is very useful for travelers. I chose the negative display because it gives better contrast for the analog hands, although it reduces the digital display's readability. But if you want the best digital visibility, I recommend getting the positive display version, not this one. A little tip, if you want to temporarily move the hands away from the digital display, you can use the hand shift feature by pressing the light and mode buttons together. The case uses the carbon core guard structure. It is made from carbon and resin. It is both strong and lightweight. The bezel is made of shock-absorbing resin and has a little flexibility. The crystal is mineral glass, and the case back is stainless steel with engraved information. Some of you may have heard about the bezel gap issue on some GA-2100 and GA-B2100 models. I'm not sure why some are affected more than others. It could be due to the climate, variations in production batches, or something else. For comparison, here is my old GA-2100 after more than 3 years. As a note, I live in a tropical climate with high humidity and warm temperatures. The bezel has stretched slightly on the left and right sides, but the gap is not large enough to be annoying. If I remember correctly, the bezel already had a little even when it was new. And my new GA-B2100 also has a slight stretch on both sides. Only time will tell how it ages, but hopefully it will not become a problem. And if it does, replacement bezels are easy to find. By the way, if you have experience with any of these models, please share it in the comments below. Thank you. The strap is made of flexible resin. It is comfortable right out of the box and becomes even more comfortable after a few days. The strap curves down naturally, so it wraps around the wrist very well. With its medium lug-to-lug length, it fits average-sized wrist nicely. The wave pattern and ventilation holes help improve airflow, and the quick-release spring bars make strap changes very easy if needed. You can also install NATO straps with adapters, but one small disappointment is that this version uses a resin buckle, unlike the original GA-2100 and most other GA-B2100 models that use a metal buckle. There are 4 buttons. Adjust and mode are on the left, light and start are on the right. The button pushers are made of metal and look nice. The button action is firm. They are protected by the bezel, so they are not easily pressed by accident. and you may need to press them with your fingernail. You can turn the button sound on or mute. The watch also uses higher beep tone when entering the time mode. You can also press and hold the mode button to return to the time mode quickly. The beep is soft, which is common for G-Shock and other models with high water resistance. So if you prefer a watch with a loud beep, this may not be the best choice. GA-B2100 has 200-meter water resistance. It is great for swimming and other water activities. Tough Solar charges the battery using light, and the power lasts about 7 months on full charge, and with power saving enabled, it can last up to 18 months. The watch has several modes. The first is timekeeping. The digital display can show the day, the date, or the current time. One nice feature is that you can change the date format from month date to date month. As a note, one small downside is that you cannot see the day and the date at the same time. Next is world time. As offline feature, it supports 38 time zones. Then the stopwatch that measures up to 24 hours. It has 1/100 of a second accuracy for the first hour and supports lap and speed times. Next is the countdown timer. Unfortunately, this one is limited to 60 minutes. And finally, you get 5 daily alarms and an hourly signal. The Bluetooth feature adds many advantages that the GA-2100 does not have. And the Casio Watches app makes setting of the watch much easier. After pairing, the watch can automatically synchronizes its time with your phone. It works like multiband, but uses Bluetooth instead of atomic clock radio signals. This keeps the watch very accurate. You can also change many settings, such as the time, alarms, timer, and more. When connected to the app, the time mode supports around 300 series. You also get 5 event reminders. These are useful for birthdays and other important dates, but only possible to be managed through the phone app. One of my favorite features is the phone finder. You can also save your current location with one press of a button. And yes, the app also allows you to update the watch firmware. The watch uses the dual Super Illuminator LED, one for the display backlight and the other for lighting the analog hands. The light is bright white and you can choose either 1.5 or 3 seconds. It is very easy to read both the analog hands and the digital display at night. However, the subdial is a different story. You can see the hand, but the small markings are difficult to read. The watch sits very nicely on the wrist. It is slim and easy to wear. The lugs curve downward. It feels comfortable all day, and the size fits my almost 7-inch wrist very well. Now about the pros and cons. On the positive side, it has modern and iconic design, tough and durable. Tough Solar means almost no battery changes. Bluetooth keeps the time very accurate, thin and lightweight, and comfortable for daily wear. On the other side, there are also things you might want to consider. The countdown timer is limited to 60 minutes. The subdial no longer shows the day of the week. Some advanced features require Bluetooth and the phone app. And the negative display gives better contrast for the analog hands, but the digital display is harder to read. I think this is one of the best everyday G-Shocks you can buy. It is accurate, reliable, and looking great. This easily can be my daily watch for work and everyday use. Thanks for watching. I will also make the tutorial and comparison with the GA-2100, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a great day.